Hi everyone, this is Ashish from South Asia Tech. This is another video in the series of videos I am doing on Divi Theme. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a logo and customize the header area of the Divi website. This is going to be helpful for people who are just getting started with a new website using the Divi theme. So when you install Divi theme, it's going to look something like this. This is a blank page and I haven't added anything yet. So for the first step, I will add a logo in Divi. To add a logo, first you need to visit your dashboard. Now go to Divi section, hover over it and click on theme options. At the top, you can see the logo section. Here you can upload. I will click on upload. Choose a logo from your library or click on upload files and select file from your computer. I will select from media library, click on set as logo. Now you have uploaded your logo. Click on save changes. Now your changes was saved. Now he will customize the header. To customize the header, hover over appearance and click on customize. Now it will take you to theme customizer. Here you can see header and navigation. Open the settings, go to header format. Here you can change its style. You can make it vertical navigate, hide navigation until scroll. Change style. You can make the logo and the menus are centered inline logo, or you can make it side like that. Click on this and it will appear like that, or you can make it full screen. For full screen it will appear over the screen like that, but I will go with default. Go back. Here you can see the primary menu bar. Click on it. You can hide the logo like that, but I will enable logo. When you click on this tick button, this logo will make itself full width on this header bar. I will make it custom. Now here you can change menu height of this bar. Increase it and it will appear like that. You can decrease it as much as you want. I will use it as default. You can change the maximum logo width. I will make it 80%. Now go to text style. Here you can change the text size and letter spacing. Here you have font. I will change it to ABEL and it will appear like that. Make it bold. And here you can change the text color. I will make it dark black like that. Now active link color, when it was active, I will make it red like that. Now you can change the background color of this bar. Click on it and I will select this one and it will appear like that. Now you can change the drop down menu background. I don't have any drop down menu, so I will leave it. Go back and here you can see the secondary menu bar. You can change the text of secondary menu if you have any secondary menu. Go back to settings and click on header elements. Here you can show or hide search icon. You can show social icons, but I will leave it. Here you can add phone number. Now you can see the bar appears. Now type your number and here add your email. Now it will appear like that. You can use it, or just by deleting it, this bar will disappear. Now go back, just click on this publish. After publishing, click on this cross button. Now visit your site. Now here you can see you have successfully changed the logo, this text size and header background color. That's how you can add logo and customize header in Divi website. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.